Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You are all warmly welcome. Thank you so much. I appreciate you, my subscribers. And if you are new on this channel, you are warmly welcome. Today on our menu, we are making OFAM or spiced ripe plantain cake. Yes, so let's get started, guys. So these are the spice veggies that we are going for. Some shallot, some ginger, and some scotch bonnet pepper. You can as well add some garlic if you want. So you grind it almost to the smoothest level, and then you add some seasonings. In this video, I'm going for only two seasonings: cloves and some Maggi tablet. Okay, so you use any seasoning of your choice. You make sure you also grind it together with the veggies and add some salt if you want, but I'm not also adding salt because the Maggi contains some salt content and it's fine for me this way. Okay, so now you set that aside, and then you peel off the ripe plantain that we are using for the offam. Yes, this is the ripe plantain we are using. It's so nice. Even though the skin looks so brown and so dark, it's not rotten, guys. So yes, I'm going for only two. The rest of the family don't really like spicy food. That's why I'm going for only two plantains. So now you're going to crush it and mash it together with the ingredients. I mean the veggies, the grinded veggies. Yeah, since it's not helping that much, I've gone for my hand blender. And so far you're doing a good job. Also, you don't have to make it so smooth. You don't need to do that. But it depends on you guys, on how you want to make it. Either too smooth or you want to have some bit in it. Yes, so guys, we are transferring it into a clean and nice bowl. I can see that it's so spicy. I can even smell it. The ginger, I can smell it. So now guys, we are adding some plain flour. You can use some all-purpose flour, okay? But make sure you don't add too much flour or else your cake will be too hard. But yes, I'm going to make this the same way I love to eat my cake. I mean the real cake. I love my real cake so soft and so moist. So I'm doing the same thing with this one. Hence a little bit and not too much flour. Okay. So now I'm adding some peanut butter. I mean yes, organot paste. And I'm also adding the palm oil to it. Yes, you need to add some palm oil, okay, guys? But when the palm oil is not that good, it doesn't smell good or taste good, what you need to do is to fry it in a nice saucepan and then add some onion, okay? And then you fry it together with the oil. Frying it together with the onion will help take away the bad smell and give it a good taste, okay? So after that, you bring it and then you pour it onto your offam, okay? But my palm oil is so good, perfect, so I didn't have to go through all that, okay? So you make sure you also give it a good stir. You mix it well together, yes, and then you set that aside again, and then you add your pop of color. Yes, you can add carrot as well if you want, but I'm going for the green bell pepper and then the red bell pepper. A little bit of the spring onion. Guys, just use any veggie of your choice that you think will bring some nice flavor, smell, and some pop of color in your offam. If you are new on this channel and you love my recipe so far and you are still seated watching this video, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to this channel, okay? And you love my channel because we share ideas, we bring you the best recipes, and yes, guys, recommend this channel to friends and families. Also, don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. Alright? So yes, let's go on to our OFAM. We make sure we stir it and mix it well together so that the pop of color is everywhere. Just spread it evenly, okay? So that whenever you cut your cake, you see some nice colors in there. But before we bake our cake, let's grease or coat our loaf pan. This will help the offam or the ripe plantain spicy cake not to stick onto the pan when it's ready. So you can coat it with the palm oil or any type of oil you have. So now you are transferring it gently into our loaf pan, and when that is done, you make sure you also level it up with your kitchen spatula or your spoon. Guys, it looks so nice and perfect. So we are taking it into our oven, and after some minutes it should be ready. Guys, we are back and our offam is set. It's so ready. This is how I like my offam, the same way I like my real cake. So soft, so moist, and so perfect. Yes, this is how it should be. Not too hard. That's not me at all. I love me this type of offam, but not the hard one. So let's transfer it onto a plate. Yes, I transferred it from the bottom up. You can also do otherwise by showing the top up and then the bottom goes to the bottom, right? That's how it should be. But I did my the opposite way, but that's fine. It goes well with some peanut, roasted peanut, guys. And now let's cut it. Can you see it's so moist and so soft? It doesn't have to be so hard because I don't like hard bread, hard cake. I don't like that at all. You will not get me eating that. This is how I like my cake and my bread. Soft bread, soft and mushy, yes. So this one is perfect for me. Can you see? Can you see the green bell pepper in there? Yes, that's how I love it. So appetizing, it's so attractive. hmm So I'm adding some more peanut just to decorate it, guys. Can you see that decoration going on there? Thanks for watching, and I hope you are inspired. I hope you like it and you're going to try it. So bring me the feedback when you are done, and let's keep growing this channel. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed. And if you are new, subscribe to this channel already because you are missing out on a lot of appetizing recipes. Bye bye.